Hi everyone, this is Jenny from Crafter's Companion. Everybody's been asking me how I do my transparent balloons, and so I thought I'd do a quick little video to show you how I do them. They're actually pretty simple to do, and all you need to do is think ahead of time which balloon is going to be in front of which and go from there. So here's the one that I already completed. Let's set that aside, and I thought it would be easier to do it on this smaller image. So what I have here is I have my yellow, my pink, my green, and my blue. My yellow balloon is the one that's in the very front, so that's the one I'm going to concentrate on first. So I went ahead and colored my balloons, and now what I'm going to do is add in the transparency from the balloon behind it. So here I have my CR4, which is the lightest color that I used here in this balloon. And you can see the line, how it comes straight through. If it doesn't have one, then draw an imaginary line. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw myself an imaginary line and pretend that line was not already there. Let me get a little bit closer here for you guys. There we go, that's a little bit better. And now all of this is yellow. I'm going to take my color and I'm just going to color right through my balloon. And because the yellow is showing through the coral that I just colored on here, it's actually looking like it's coming through. If it doesn't look like it's coming through, then go ahead and take your lighter yellow and bleach that out just a little bit. And there you go. Now it looks like the balloon is behind the other balloon. Now let's take a look at our green. Let's see. I didn't dig out my green here. I need to grab one real quick. So here's my green marker, and now I'm going to do green right here. I'm going to color that in. And it just gives a little bit of a hint of that green behind the yellow. There it is. And now my blue. So I'm going to take my blue and I'm going to do the same thing. And I'm going to do my blue through my green also, because my blue is behind the green. And there you go. That's all there is to it. And now it looks like each of the balloons is behind each other. And it's wonderful. I just love it. So it's a fun technique to do. Here's another one that I already had done. I also want to point out a couple other little things on balloons. I like to give my highlight on the item, on the piece of the item that's closest to me. So you can see here on this balloon where my highlight is in the very center. Actually on the video it's showing a little more white than it really is in person. But here I have my highlight, which makes it look closer than the outer part of my balloon where I put my darker. Here on my yellow you can also see that I have a highlight in the middle and the darker around the outside. That kind of builds dimension to my balloon. And there's the coral one down there on the bottom. So that's how I do my transparent balloons. I hope you learned something. Have a great day, and please come back again for more videos.